Hello guys, so in this particular tutorial I want to show you how you can compress your video. Most of the time you are basically going to be done editing um your video, or let's say if you take a particular video on your phone using your camera, whether your business or a site, anything at all. Most of the time the files are so big that they can occupy space, okay, on your phone. And another beautiful thing that is attached to the use of compressor is that you can compress the file so that when sent over the network it will not actually take a lot of your megabyte. It's very foolish. Sometimes we see people who will send 50 megabyte, 100 megabyte over WhatsApp, over the internet. Okay. And most of sometimes, even if it is long too, if it is too much, like the file is too much, you will not be able to send over the internet. Okay. So we're going to go through Play Store to download a particular video compressor. Okay. So that we can interact with it. All right, guys. So I'll go straight into my Play Store. Once I am there, I would search for um, video compressor app. Okay, video compressor. All right. So it has come. I am personally using two, okay, because sometimes I feel like one is good over the other, and sometimes I feel like one has advantage over the other, but definitely they all do the same thing, okay. So I am using this one, okay, this one, okay, and this one. So look at the names properly, okay. Compressor, okay, that's the video size compressor, and the second one is Panda video compressor. So if I'm able to make a tutorial using one, you will understand the way the other work. It works the same way. Remember the purpose. All it does is that is to reduce the size of your video. Not the length, but the size, the kind of weight it carries, to make it lighter, you understand, to be transferred over the network. Okay, like I have a lot of long videos on my YouTube channel. If I basically had to send them directly, hmm, it will take time, in fact minutes, before it get uploaded to the YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm just going to type compressor here, compressor. So I will use this one to show you. Okay, okay, I was using actually one of them. I was using it now, that's why it's showing. So I have to cancel this one, dismiss, then I will come here. Okay, usually when you come here, this is what it's going to show you. Okay, this is what it's going to show you. I have already chosen a particular one that I want to compress. Do you understand? So it will always show you this place. This is very important. This place is very important. Okay, it's going to show you um your browser, all files, all folders, just similar to CapCut. Do you understand? So usually I will just come straight here because I am on the tab of browser. So I will just say okay, tap here to take a file. Right, I will just click on that. Okay, usually you just click on that and then choose any video of your choice. Let's say this one. I want you to take note of this size. Okay, look at the size of this. Okay, it's 12.55 megabyte. Okay, I am going to click on that one. Okay, I'm going to say compressed. All right, it's going to show me, hey, these are the compression options. Okay, these compression options actually differs. Okay, the higher the quality, the lesser the compressor. Do you understand? Even though there's going to be exponentially difference, but I always go for the highest quality. Do you understand? We go for high quality. All right. But for the purpose of this video, let me just make it quicker so that I'll choose this one. But to tell you, you can decide to choose any of these. Okay. The more you go down, the better the quality. Okay, or you can also come here and then you can control it by yourself by using the custom resolution. Okay, you can use this, use any of them, that depends on you. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to choose this and I'll say, I'll click on compress. Then in this, I'll give it a name, any kind of name. Let me just say bestie, or let me say movie one. All right, let me just say movie one. I'm going to click on start. So look at that, very quick. Now I want you to look at this. Okay, let's analyze this together. The video is ready, but see, I want you to take note of this very well. This is why we're doing this recording. Right, look, the size is has shifted from 12.55 to 880 kilobyte. That's less than 1 megabyte. Imagine. So now let's play this one. So can you see that? That's basically how the compressor works. So I want to believe that this tutorial has been so helpful. So if you love this video, make sure you watch it again and then you are able to practicalize this in your day-to-day life.